Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin and unpin TikTok videos. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on profile at the right bottom corner. Here you will find different videos. You need to select any random video. I'm going to select this video. And then I need to go and click on three dots at the right side, and in the bottom you will find the option of pin. Click on that. So you can see that I pin a video. Let me show you. So you can see that this video is pinned, and how I can unpin that, simply click on that video and click on three dots and click on unpin option. So you can see that unpin from profile. So now this video is unpinned and you can see that pin icon is now removed. So by following these steps, you can easily pin and unpin video on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.